Hi, this is Jennifer Woods, and I'm going to talk about why Hammond's book, Culturally Responsive Teaching in the Brain, is perfect for teachers who are struggling working with culturally and linguistically diverse students. A teacher's purpose is to create the right conditions for optimum learning and help culturally linguistically diverse students reach a state of relaxed alertness or engagement. Our job as teachers is to create an inclusive environment where children of all cultures feel comfortable to engage in activities and promote effective information processing. The purpose of Hammond's book, Culturally Responsive Teaching, offers new concepts and frames for thinking about culturally responsive teaching as an extension of brain-based learning. A few topics Hammond covers in this book are: we learn how the brain works and its influence on our social emotional state. In this book, we learn how the brain can affect a student's ability to learn. The book teaches us teachers how to create an environment that the brain perceives as safe and nurturing so it can relax and turn its attention to learning. It also teaches us how to be a culturally responsive practitioner. This book discusses the importance of why teachers should learn about their own culture and why and how to understand how their own culture values shape their expectations in the classroom. And it also talks about the most effective teaching techniques for information processing for culturally and linguistically diverse students. We learn how to appropriately make intimate connections with students, which opens the door to building trust. In conclusion, purchase this book. Our challenge as culturally responsive teachers is knowing how to create an environment that the brain perceives as safe and nurturing so it can relax. By buying this book, you'll get all the tools you need to learn how to do this.